Today I'm testing Nano Banana Pro to see how well it can create text made from anything, words built entirely out of the objects they represent. All I'm doing is giving Nano a prompt, like telling it what object or material the letters should be made from. I'm running all of this inside Firefly Boards, which makes it really easy to experiment and try wildly different prompts. Let's start with the word CORGI. This is really great. The letters look like they were literally sculpted out of corgi fur, with shedding all over the floor, and even a corgi napping in the background. It tells a whole story. Here's another version that I animated. I love how the letters just bounce around. And then I tried out koi, and it turned out amazing. Nano didn't just use the koi textures, it formed each letter out of the actual koi fish, swimming in formation. And then I turned it into a video and animated the koi actually swimming into place and assembling the letters. For ZEST, each letter is made from a different citrus peel, orange, lemon, lime, and grapefruit, with little zest bursts flying off the letters. Next is melt, and this one might be my favorite concept. Each letter melts in a totally different way. Chocolate, butter, ice cream on a waffle, and even a grilled cheese melt for the tea. And when I animated it, it's super fun. Every food melts in its own way. Moss turned out super realistic. Thick clumps, branches, and that damp forest floor texture. It really looks like these letters grew straight out of a log. And waves is a great example of how flexible this is. Text doesn't have to stay realistic. You can switch to any art style. For this one, I asked for an illustrated look, and Nano turned it into stylized, flowing letters. Metal gives you riveted metal plates, brush texture, and realistic highlights, all automatically. And for December, I used paper quilling. The layered strips, tight curls, and holiday colors look completely handcrafted. If anything looks off with your image, Nano is super responsive to tiny prompt tweaks. And, one more time, the koi swimming into the word again because it's just so good. If you want to animate your own text or any Firefly image, check out my video on how to turn any Firefly image into a video in under 2 minutes.